We're just gonna play the first few on Subsurface. Let's see how good I can get. Looks like I'm pretty close to being the score. I have to get elevated. I'm falling retard.
Takes a closer look at your health. It's a new year, time for a new you. Here are a few easy steps to get you started. Turn healthy choices into daily habits. Get some rest. Sleep is important for your health, from building muscle to improving your mood. Strike a balance. Take a break and have some fun with friends and family. And fill in the gaps. Dietary supplements can help keep you on track to a new you.
Okay, I'm doing my skin page now. See, I'm gonna show you how to get videos. See, what you do is you go to the App Store. You search, hold on. Search game. Game Club app.
Haley!
You can do look.
They just figured that they're teacher sensitive. There's nothing they can do about it. They weren't really aware that there's an easy solution to it. When I've had people switch to Sensodyne toothpaste, they're amazed how comfortable suddenly things become. Sensodyne desensitizes the tooth from the painful stimuli, the cold, the hot. Now they can drink a glass of ice water on a nice hot day and not have to be jolted through the roof. That's a fantastic revelation for a lot of people.
Go Game Stream Quarter. And you with Facebook, Facecam. You see it right here, you get it. So my dog, because I'm doing a video on it right now.